Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Enrica K, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. This is Misha. Um it's a day in my life, a type of vlog or type of video. So here I'm just showing you cleaning the house and showing you how big the house is and how I have to clean this entire house. It's not quite big, but if on the camera maybe some of you may think it's big. This is me prepping the water to mop. I already swept the house, and this is me in the bathroom. I just finished cleaning and washing everything in the bathtub, everything, and that's me actually mopping and doing everything that a girl is supposed to do. I mopped. After mopping, I was having a conversation with my sister behind the camera. Yeah, so I was very much close to finishing to mop, and here I'm mopping very close to the kitchen, as you can see, and getting ready for me to go to the next stage of cleaning the house. And right here I'm done mopping and I'm cleaning the TV stand, the table, and everything else. Make sure they're sparkling clean from the dust. Yes, dust is not that much, but as you can see, it is sometimes comes and grows on surfaces. And this is me here showing you the final product of me cleaning the house. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into my video. May God bless you. Ciao. Guys, I did this to this vegetable because of I didn't want it it makes it a bit softer, and it's going to be better for us when I'm just cooking it, so it's not going to give me a lot of work. And then yeah, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, here's the vegetable. So I have to drain the water out of it, and then I will what is this, drain the water, and then after draining it I will see to let it. And the vegetable is quite small because the meat itself is not a lot. I'm making this, it was a request from someone. So guys, I have my onions, my tomatoes, and 3 tomatoes here, and onion and garlic, and green pepper, guys. Green peppers. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but let me show you guys. Yeah, it's cooking, already frying, and I hope the vegetable, the way I'm planning on making this is gonna be a bit longer, but okay, sharp. Let's get into this because wow.
Guys, sorry, I totally forgot. I had already started adding the veggies. I've already started adding the veggies already in the pot, allowing it to fry with the onions, as you can see. So I'm cleaning from, and now I'm kind of done. Yeah, veggies, you leave them, leave it to cook for a while before you can cover it. Cover it first for like a while before you do anything.